does it make sense to move forward?
Mm-hmm.
And the response was, not at this time.
Okay.
So I completely understand.
Okay.
What's the next step?
Yes, but let's fix that.
Okay.
We got a problem with that. Do you want to take a guess at what the problem is?
No.
Okay, I'm going to tell you. You ready?
Yep.
What was it that you were selling them?
A reputation widget.
Okay. What the hell does move forward mean? Right? So I want you to remove language like move forward. It's fuzzy, it's warm. People don't know things like that. This is why there's couples all over the world right now that are about to break up because one person in the couple thinks that they're on their road to getting married. The other party of the couple doesn't, and they're like, I'm in the friend zone. I don't know, whatever it is, because we're not clear with our language.
Yeah.
Right? So instead of saying move forward, does it make sense to install the reputation widget? The other thing that I noticed, and I don't know if you're doing this or if you were just doing it for coaching because you were thinking about your thoughts, the way you delivered it, John, and I'm not trying to give you a badass time, I'm trying to make you more money. The way you delivered it sounded very hesitant to me, very nervous. The way you said it sounds like most people don't do it. Listen to the difference. Does it make sense to move forward? Versus, does it make sense for me to get the reputation widget installed today? Right? Or if you can't do it today, does it make sense to install the reputation widget? That sounded kind of weird. Does it make sense to install the reputation widget? That's a tongue twister, reputation wizard. Does it make sense to install the reputation wizard? Right? Or does it make sense to get the reputation widget up on the site?
Let's keep going with it. So
yeah.
Where I want to get to is not at this time.
Okay, you be them. I'll be you. You ready?
Yeah.
Does it make sense to install the reputation widget?
Not at this time.
Got it. What's a good next step?
I don't think there is one.
You don't think there is one?
No.
What's a good next step for me?
Call me in several months. Not interested.
Yeah, makes perfect sense. We will be here when you guys need to control your reputation and get more of those positive reviews while mitigating your negative ones. Fair enough? Did I lose you, John? I think I lost John.
Take a call or something.
Yeah, but let me explain for all of you guys. Did you guys catch what happened there? What did I have to use? My NOS, my net outcome statement. No problem. Guys, Easton University is not you beating the crap out of somebody that doesn't want to do business with you. It's not. There's no way you can manage 400, 500, 600 opportunities in your pipeline by trying to be an a-hole that jams square pegs in a round hole, right? Now, some of the time people say, oh, it doesn't make sense, not at this time, I don't know, we're just not interested, and they don't mean it. But those people that don't mean it, that are just nervous, guess what? When you say, oh, come on, you guys told me reputation's bad. I'm looking at your website right now and there's 15 one-star reviews. We got to fix this. Come on, if I could just have 5 minutes of your time and you grovel, you're never going to get the deal. And when you do get the deal, you feel like you got to take a shower afterwards. And guess what happens with those people that sign up when you do that type of sales tactic? They freaking cancel on you. Okay? So when they say, hey, it doesn't make sense at all, we're completely not interested. We love having one-star reviews. Okay? Don't be a smart ass. Well, you got one-star reviews. Hey, no problem. No problem, John. We'll be here when you need to get control of the reputation and get a lot more positive reviews than negative ones. Fair enough? Cool, calm, collected. We're going to go ahead and land on the Hudson. Right? And then they leave that call every single damn time. They leave that call going, I was kind of a schmuck to Matt there. He was just trying to help me with sales coaching, right? Hey, no problem, John. We'll be here when you need to double your commissions. Fair enough? Right? All he wanted to do was help me increase my commissions. The guy's not so bad. And then you put them in your sustainable pipeline. And in 6 months or 9 months, you don't go, I'm just following up to see if you guys are interested again. Back in the hole they put you in. Hey, I've got an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. Right? Something's been changing over the last 6 months with reputation, and one of the things that we're seeing is businesses like yours that were able to do things fine before with iOS 14 now installed, People are getting instant access to negative reviews, thus changing the game around reviews. I've got a couple ideas. Whether you go, if you remember correctly, I don't know if you remember me, but I remember you, we talked about the reputation widget. Even if you don't put the widget in there, I'd love to share with you some ideas around how that new Apple operating system is potentially costing you guys some business. Does it make sense for me to swing by the office? Right now you're right back in it, but you're not doing that a week later. You're doing that 6 months later, 9 months later, a year later. Are you tired of barely making quota every month, or worse? Are you not making your quota? Are you not hitting your numbers? Are you worried that you're going to lose your job in sales? All that can change for you within the next 60 days. Hi, my name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and we can help you double, yeah, you heard me correctly, double the amount of sales that you're making, double your quota, and double your income within the next 60 days with Easton University sales coaching. Click the link here, and we're going to show you how you'll have access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It has everything you need to know to double your income, double your commissions, double your quota within the next 60 days. You're also going to have the ability to join live coaching with me twice a week. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way. You got a question on prospecting? I've got you covered. You want to know how to close? We'll walk through it. You want to be able to skillfully handle objections and complaints? I will walk you through in the live settings. Check out Easton University. Click the link now. You're going to see 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you that have doubled their income in the last 60 days. Click the link here. I want to talk to you about how we can help you sell twice as much within the next 60 days.